When you're ready to install Lockdown Browser for the first time, here's the easy steps you need to do. First, you'll locate your quiz in your D2L Brightspace course. You'll scroll down till you see Download and install the latest version of Lockdown Browser. You'll see this page and look for the yellow Install Now button. Depending on your browser will download the program. You'll want to keep it or drag it to where it needs to be, depending on the browser that you're using. This example is in Chrome. Once it has downloaded, you'll open it up. Next time you go to your quiz, you can say Launch Lockdown Browser. Follow the prompts on your screen to begin your quiz. Your quiz will look like this within one screen, and once you're ready to submit, you'll be able to exit the Lockdown Browser. Call tech support if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.